Hello guys, welcome back to our Technology channel. Today we are going to unbox Business Portable Recorder 6. This is a spy pen or a spy biro, whatever you call it, that you can use to record while you are in a meeting. If you suspect that somebody is going to act somehow, you use this biro to record whatever incidents. You can record picture, you can record video, you can record sound, whatever incident that is happening there. You can use this business portable recorder to record what's happening. Have you seen a spy biro before? Let's see what it looks like. Today we are going to unbox it, right? This is the instruction paper, the documentation. So this is the biro, and this is the charger. All right. So let's check what it entails. You can be using the documentation. So this is a biro. You open the biro. So look at it here. This is the memory card. This is the port for the charger. You can plug the charger here, and you can decide to charge it on any device that have USB. You can decide to charge it on any device that have USB. And immediately you plug it, it will start charging. Look at the red light. Look at the red light that is popping. It will start charging. All right. So let us test this spy biro. Let us test it. So how do we start? Remove this. Remove this. Act as if we closed it. So to switch it on, what you have to do is to press this for 2 seconds. Once you press it for 2 seconds, you will see a green or yellow light display here. Right? So this is a green or yellow light, right? This is a green or yellow light. So to record, what are we going to do? It's still showing that green or yellow light. So to record, we hold it for 3 seconds and wait until this light blink. So it's blinking. So how it blinks, we hope that it's recording. Let's hope that it's recording, guys. Let's hope that it's recording. So we are hoping that it's recording right now. So let's know if it will pick all the things that we are saying right now. We are hoping that this biro is recording. Remember, this is our Technology. Please like and share our video. Subscribe to our channel. Okay, we are going to pause it for now and see what the record is all about. We are going to pause it and see what the record is all about. Okay, we've stopped the recording. So let's switch it off. Oh, it's recording again. Okay, let's record more. Let's record more and see what's happening. Let's record more and see what's happening. Let us record more and see what's happening. So, but now we are going to switch it off. Let us switch it off and see. So it's off. Red pointer, it's off. Red pointer is off. It's off. So we need to pull out this. Let's know if we can access it from the computer straight. If we cannot access it, then we have to plug it on the computer. If we cannot access it, then we have to plug it on a mobile phone or something that can access the memory card and see. So I think our computer was not able to see it directly. This is the memory card, so I'll pull it out. I'll pull out the memory card. We just need to put it on a mobile phone. Okay, no, now I've plugged the memory card on this phone. Let us know if this actually recorded, right? I've plugged the memory card on this phone, so let's know if it's recorded. All right. This is actually what we recorded. So this is actually what we recorded, right? So we've seen that we can use this spy pen to record video, to record audio, and to record picture. All right, this is our Udemy technology. If you want to know more about this pen, you can drop on the comment box. You can send us an email or whatever way you choose to reach out to us. We will always be there to attend to you. Please don't forget to follow our Udemy technology channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share our videos. Thank you.